This is the commissioner talking to you, Amy, for what you did to me at doal. I'm sure you had your fun, you little bitch. That's what you are. I noticed that Derek knocked you up. Derek had a brain in his head. He treated me like a nice guy, Derek. Now, this is the thing with you. You discriminated against me because I was disabled. And you were the one that got me fired from doal. To the Wilkie boys, to Mr. Wilkie boys, if you want a good person to be a good manager, something like that, then rehire me. Other than that, I'm talking to doal saw blade manufacturing company, as well as any game show in Hollywood. If you want a good person, you probably ask me what would I do with the money. I give it back to my mother. Or I give it back to my mother for all the money I borrowed and did everything else from her. Other than that, how about you producers and directors? If you want a good person for a good commercial, give me a call. What about you, Mr. Photographers? If you want a good model for any plus size catalog, give me a call. My phone number is 224-540-9642. All right? Thank you.